Al here, and I'm doing a follow-up to a previous video where I mixed a bunch of different types of cereal and put them in these buckets, and we have these really nice airtight covers so that nothing can get in and that kind of thing. And so just to start off, we're gonna on boxes that we only have one of, we're gonna pour half in one and half in the other. So let's cut this open a second here, and away we'll go. Okay. That. There's this. And then at the end we might have to shake it up to mix it. Looks like about half and half there. Here's one of each of this. And normally I used to eat about 4 or 5 different types of cereal every day. So that's how we got this idea to put them all. It saves a lot of space with the boxes and everything. So this saves time once we get it going. And I eat a high fiber diet, and this is what this cereal is all about. There's that. This. And I think we're going to have to go to boxes, single boxes after this. So we'll just do a box and estimate half each. There. Then we'll try this. So half each for this one. Oh, and this one. Way to go, Del. Let's see. We have one of these. One of these. One of these. And one of these. Here we go. So as you can well imagine, this doesn't have to be done that often. Usually that first one's getting more of them a little bit, so I'm going to estimate this a little bit. Now the second one got more there. And, okay, we're here. This. And we're, I think, halfway, at least, maybe a little more. So it's going pretty quick. It's going quick. Okay, and then on this side, that's about even. And let's see what else we got. This one here, some more bran flakes, and here's some more fiber. Here's more fiber, and there's that other box that we've already got. A box of each of that stuff in there. So I guess so if your cereal habits are different than mine, I can well understand. I'm just trying to acquaint you with the way I do it, try to save some time. Yeah. First one got more that time too. Here. And then I got something else that's not quite cereal the way that you know it, but we're going to fill that in too. So here with these flakes. Get some more flakes. And I think we can get one more single box in here, and then we'll go with the surprise. And then there's still going to be another surprise after that. I didn't know I had enough here for enough to fill the 2 buckets. Thanks. So here is what we call medium coarse oat bran, and it's for look at this medium coarse oat bran, and let's see if I can get that loosened in there. And buy it in 50-pound bags, which sometimes the driver is reluctant to carry the bag. So I'm perfectly willing to help them. But this is what it is, number 34, medium coarse oat bran. 1 scoop each side. And here we are. Spilled too much there. I think I'm going to take a little more of that. Maybe another not quite full scoop. And there. Careful so I don't bump it. Otherwise that stuff's going to scatter all over. So, and these covers are really tight, by the way. They're excellent for sealing things. And so that's out of the width. There's wheels under that. And it's not quite perfect as far as the lid closing all the way, but it's just an adjustment, something that you have to live with. Okay. So now here's the other surprise coming up. And by the way, that medium coarse oat bran was recommended by a doctor. And it's for something called diverticulosis. And he recommended 3 heaping tablespoons of it each day. So it's kind of medicine, but it doesn't taste bad, and it mixes in with cereal. So here, we kind of mix things around. There, that's the way to do it, like that. Shake it around a little bit so you hear it mixing. And there we go. So, when you're doing this, leave a little space so that you got the room to shake it up. So now I'm going to store it under the table here. There goes one. I think that's in pretty good. And there goes another. And so what I do is the one that I have, when I open it, which I'll do right now for you, I usually put it up on the table, or I usually put the bowl up on the table, the cereal bowl, and then inside here, whichever bucket I'm using, I have a scoop, and I just scoop scoop some cereal in. Currently I'm doing like 2 scoops, and then I put in milk. And I'm not a regular vitamin D milk guy. I'll eat like almond milk or soy milk or something that's not really something non-dairy, but I used to do soy milk, so that's about it. So if you think it's a little bit different, it is. But I'm through with this one. It's all out there.